Graduate from rejected. Was awarded was the best friend. Her new neighbor. Her two older sisters don't want to take their leader because they already grown up. According to them, being 13 and 14, they always have their separate plans and they never include Bianca in anything. Because their family is bigger than
Kanina yan.
3 days ago when Bianca saw a
Pero hindi siya marunong.
She said to herself that she will finally have someone to play with.
Cedric na lang.
But after going to ask
Sino ba marunong sa atin? Cedric mo?
wait the boy to go at a very young age of 10.
Hawakan niya na lang. Under niya. Yun ang skateboard yun.
The next day, Bianca was trying to learn and to learn how to use the skateboard. In front of their house, it was for very 27.
Bianca is
I thought she finally got the hang of it. But then, it was